In today's episode, I'm going to be doing some organization in the kitchen. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. All right, I have a lot to do today. Since I got the new pots, I need to rearrange the cabinets here where I keep my pots at. I keep pots here and some there. So I'm going to rearrange my pots and pans today to make room for the new and the old and get that situated. Boy, that's a lot to do. I have those two drawers, that cabinet over there in the corner, over there, and then I have some pans here in this cabinet. I have some baking pans in here that I think I'm going to reposition. So mainly today, I'm going to be in this area, general area, these pans and those in the corner. So I thought I'd take you along with me as I get this foolishness rearranged. Okay, under here I have my roaster, and I have another iron skillet and another pan and a drainer under here. So I need to clean from under here. And then on this side, it's hard to get stuff in this one because the way it's made so awkwardly. But I think I can store some extra things that we don't use on the regular over there. So I need to wipe these cabinets down. So now we have the roasters, the tops here, lids, some pans here, my small stock pan, and then I have lids, iron skillets, the new pans and old pans. Over here, baker's pans, old pans, glass Pyrex dishes, and I still have two large Pyrex pans in the dishwasher and a really large frying pan I love to cook in. It's in the dishwasher as well. So I have a lot to try to situate in these two drawers and over here in these bottom two cabinets. Now I think I'm going to put the bigger, bulkier lids I have here for the extra large frying pans. I think I'm going to put them here. And then I have a couple more pans over there that I'm pretty sure they're not going to fit in the drawers. So I have space for them here. And I'll always keep my big roaster back there. Over here, I have room for something up top. So it's best to get it through this way here. So I'll be putting probably some other those pans that I have duplicate of, put them over here out of the way, and then use them for holiday time when you do all that major cooking. But it is organized in here and wiped down, so I feel comfortable with it now. I just have to get that door back on. Yeah. It's probably pretty easy to pop back on, but yeah, I have to get the door back on. But anyway, let's move over here to the drawers. So now I have to figure out a plan. Okay. Now I know here in the top drawer, I want to put my frying pans because I'm always, I want to keep my frying pans in the top here. Let me get the other one. Okay, this is a pan I love to cook in. Copper, of course, but I like the weight of it and it cooks everything so well. So this one will definitely go in here. And then I have my smaller frying pans. it's got coolant in it. So here, this is my greaser. Then I have these pans here. Those go there. Maybe I'll just put the big ones here. And the smaller ones turn them that way. Makes good sense, huh? And then put my greaser here on the top so it has a home. I just feel like it's off track. Okay, then we have the bottom drawer. I use this one a lot because I steam. This is the new roaster. This is the new pots he got me here. Then I have the smaller ones here. It's not that bad, huh? But I know I still have these two. So those all fit in there. One more frying pan. The smaller ones. So that looks pretty good. Those right there. Frying pans. The bottom drawer here, I put all my boilers and big roasters down here on the bottom. So that took care of that. Now all I have to do is find spots for the rest of these pans. Like I have these pans here, I need to put them up. So I think I'm going to put them at the empty spot that I left open on the other side. So let's move over here. I'm going to be using the Method antibiotic. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, and this is trying a new scent. This is, what is this one? Citron. This is a new scent that I'm trying. I normally get the grapefruit, but I wanted to try something different this time. The girl's experimenting, so here we go. Say this, it smells good. I want to put down here the pots and pans that we don't use all the time, so they'll go in this corner. Like my roaster, we only use this one holiday period, so that goes there. I want to put my iron skillets down here too. Let's see. this bowl I keep, but this is where I deep fry my fish in. Whenever I cook catfish or well, any kind of fish I want to deep fry, I use this boiler. It's my fish boiler. I mean, it cooks the best fish. You wouldn't believe it, but it does. Okay. Here is my very first cast iron pan. Oh, it needs to be burned. I'm gonna have to put it on the pit when Eric gets when it gets a little hotter out. This one, and I have a square one. This one really needs to be burned. So I have these two iron skillets. Skillet. Then I have this one for eggs. I don't know why I have this one, but it is what it is. This one here is for shrimp. I'm going to cook garlic shrimp. This one's for. Now these I only use, I was using these when I would cook pancakes and grilled cheese, but this oven here has a grill on top, so I don't use this as much as I used to, so I'm going to put these over here. Then I have these Pyrex dishes. I use them for food. Okay, let me see. These are some deep fry baskets that came with my copper dishes. I use them every now and then, so I want them in a place where I can reach them quick if I need them. This glass top here goes on top of a pan set I have. Okay. Now, then I have my stock pans. They stay in here as well. So they're out the way. But I know I'm going to have some more to put over here because I have more space down here now that I moved some stuff that didn't belong. I think what I'm going to put over here, I know I had the lids for the pans over here. I'm still going to put those back on the doors, but I have some of the oversized lids, and I think I'll place them here. And I really like them out the way, so I'll probably place them up on this top shelf in here. Over here, remember I left that spot open down here, so I think I'm going to put those pans in here, as well as my baking sheets. So if that's what you're going over here. Okay, now I left this spot open and up in the bottom earlier because I said I had other pans. So I'm going to take these three here and put them on the top shelf. Turn the handles out. So if I need them, all I do is grab them out of here. Now, all my new baking pans, muffin pan, I'm going to put them down here on the bottom. Here. So they have a home over here. Let me turn that. They have a home here on the bottom. Let me show you. Okay, and these pans here have square lids. I think that'll help out a lot by putting their lids right here next to them, so it'll make it easy for me to find them. So these two pans here have these two square lids, and it also fits on that one, and those are two deep fry baskets that go in these two pans. So I think that'll make it easy for me to keep that all together, and I'm happy. So now I have to arrange the other pan's lids to work with my doors. So, we're gonna work on all these lids. And then I have two gigantic ones like this one. So they're gonna lay here in the bottom, so they'll be comfortable. Okay, so let's take a look at the finished product. Here's the top drawer with all the frying pans in it, all different sizes. Bottom drawer are all my boilers and big roasters and my steamer. I use a steamer a lot. Over here are my iron skillets, my fish fry boiler, my some of my tops for my pans, and then up there are my pancake pans up there. And on this side we have my seasonal stuff, my big roaster, my baking pans, my stock pot, small and medium. Up top we have these three pans that deep fry. They're their baskets and their lids. And then I have another large lid like this. It's in the dishwasher. It'll go down here as well. And on the door here are my other pans lids. So I think I have all the lids and the pans situated. Oh, they're off the island. The island is pan free. But what I came to accomplish was to get the pots and pans off the island, and that I have accomplished. They all have their own home now. So let me know what you think about my arrangement of my pots and pans in the lower and upper cabinets, or lower and upper drawers in the cabinet. I appreciate your comments, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.